out in Farmington, Utah, in a place called Lagoon, lives the mighty Schwarzkopf Colossus, the fire dragon. Will you take a ride with us? Yeah, we know that Cannibal gets all the press over there in Lagoon, but a hidden gem really is Colossus, the 1983 Schwarzkopf. If positive G's are your thing, this is going to be the best coaster at Lagoon for you. Very little airtime, but lots of intensity, a double helix, all good stuff from Anton Schwarzkopf. The movable coaster found a home at Lagoon.